Hi everybody, my name's Cindy and I craft at Upcycle Design Lab. I was going to be working on a totally different project today, but as things come to me in the middle of the night, I got a brainstorm for a last-minute graduation gift to make for my niece and nephew. I was going to be boring and just give them a gift card or some cash or something, but then of course last night it occurred to me maybe I could make it a little bit more fun. So I'm going to give them a graduation gift called Aunt Cindy's Life Lessons in Candy. So I have a bag of candy. I've done some shopping with candy, for candy, and then I've printed off their class logo and a little bit of artwork. Excuse me. I'm really doing this last minute. I mean, the graduation is tomorrow, so I have to hurry. And then they're the class of 2018. I've got some scrap cardboard here. 2 shoe boxes. Fortunately for me, one of their school colors is pretty close to my kitchen cabinet, so I have some leftover house paint and some various glue. And like I said, I'm not entirely sure how this is going to turn out. The graduation is tomorrow, so I need to get rolling.